A rare frigid storm charged through Texas and the North Gulf Coast on Tuesday, blanketing New Orleans and Houston. With snow that closed highways, grounded nearly all flights and cancelled school for more than 1 million students together, and more accustomed to hurricane dismissals than snow days. The storm even prompted the first ever blizzard warnings for several coastal counties near the Texas-Louisiana border. Aerial footage over the Hudson River, which flows 315 miles through eastern New York State and along Manhattan and North Jersey, showed large chunks of ice floating on the water Tuesday. People from the northern plains to the tip of Maine are experiencing bitterly cold temperatures as an Arctic air mass is causing temperatures to plunge well below normal values, with dangerously cold wind chills as well. Winter storm warnings are in effect for parts of the mid-Atlantic and New England. And heavy lake effect snow is in fact expected in West New York State Monday through Wednesday morning.